Yups. 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 Quosket. 2015. The year 2015, Timothy.
Oh, yeah?
Toby, Timothy.
What?
What happened in the year 2015?
I don't know.
I see STG Logistics down there. No job? Why don't... No job. You don't have a job, Timothy.
That's what it says.
Why don't you have a job?
I don't know why it says that.
Let's get over.
What? How are you supposed to see him? The sun.
Guess I'll get back.
Yeah.
Or maybe sit here and look down there.
Gilbert Fire, this is your first news. Story City Fire, this is
Turn that down.
Shipping request for that one.
What are you doing?
Trying to get it to work. Not working. It's not responding. I wonder if he's gonna stop.
Alright, let me get back over so I can see the entire train. 2024! That's my favorite year of freight trains, is 2024. Hi, boys. No, hi, boy. What? Hi, boy bolts? What does that mean? Does that mean a lightning bolt?
No, like a bolt.
The train is railed on the rails. Trying to look for cars that are on the rails and not derailed. Sower is what that says. Wap something. Wabrick, I think is how you say it. Taffy. F it.
Is that what it said?
Oh, no SH. The S word. No SH.
Yeah. It's graffiti. What do you expect?
I expect the S word and the F word, SH word and FU word. FTS DCV, what does that mean?
I'm not sure.
A 10 drop true, I think is what that said. What are you doing to the Osmo?
Getting it so it's straight because it's crooked.
Gas sign, I think is what that says. What? Uh-oh. It's gonna take a little bit. There's the mid DPUs!
Oh, there they go.
Faux V. What does faux V mean? Taffy?
I don't have any clue.
Visit empu.com. Wait, what is that word? CHASSIS? What does that mean?
I didn't see it.
It said it on that shipping container right there. Now, it's not a company, it just said hi something. Love you, Timothy, love you. Timothy loves me.
Yeah.
And Grandma. And I love Grandma too.
I love you too.
5620. And in 6888.
Hey, we've seen him before on the spring line.
Yes. High five. I like 6888. He's my favorite engine, I believe, because he used to be an N scale.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we had him in there.
But what happened to him again?
He coder got fried.
And we had to send him back to Train World.
Yeah.
I miss him now in N scale. I wish he was back, but
To see if they ever get him back in stock.
I don't think they will get him back in stock. I think he'll just be forever out of stock. Forever. EKAS is what that says. What does that mean? EKAS? MADA is what that says. Das Meme Radio TSP T22. What does that mean?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Probably a TV show. Grave 148. What does Grave 148 mean?
I don't know what any of the graffiti means.
It sounds like the graffiti is TV shows. Seneca, I think is what that says. I don't know what Seneca means. Probably another TV show. When's this train gonna stop because of the wires on the railroad, the power lines?
I don't know. Maybe he's going slow enough that they've got it fixed and he's just got a speed restriction.
How come?
Because there's probably still people working next to the track, but not on it.
If there's people working next to the tracks, there's a speed restriction. Do you know why?
Safety.
What makes it safety?
Well, can't be having a train fly through there at 60 miles an hour when people are standing next to the track.
Because then they could get hit.
Yeah. When they're slow, then they won't get hit.
Because then they'll know it's coming.
Yeah, and they have time to get out of the way.
There's a CSXI.com container right there.
Let's see how fast he's going.
F you! F you!
Right.
Tiffy, look,
I
it says
see
F
it,
you.
I see
Suck my DI.
it. He's not even going fast enough for it to register.
Tiffy,
Yeah, I heard you.
it said suck
I
my
know.
DI.
So that means
And
he's
F
going
you.
slower than 5 miles an hour.
Yep. I'm going through something with life. What does that mean?
Exactly what it just did. Oh, what? There's the end.
Viral farm something is what that said. $120 cars
And 6 engines.
And he's going below 5 miles an hour.
I think his top speed was 11 or 10 miles per hour. I'm not
Maybe.
sure.